All right, welcome back to the channel, family. We're gonna get right to it this morning. It's early on a Saturday morning. I'm about to drive to Sacramento to go see my mom's for Mother's Day. But as you know, we got the G35 on the road. I do have some work I need to do before we get out and start driving up to Sacramento. If you've been following the channel, you know the sunroof is broken on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out now because I don't wanna drive 2 hours each way with the sunroof making a bunch of wind noise. Also, if you've been following along, you know we just put a clutch in it. I'm gonna give you an update on that too. The clutch is running really well. It's shifting gears perfectly. Nice buttery shifts. We also got good grip on the clutch itself, so it's not slipping. Initially, it was slipping a little bit with the new clutch. I think that was just part of the break-in period, but it feels like it's nice and solid now. Pretty much a stock feel. I'm gonna admit, I can't tell that it's a performance clutch, which is a plus, especially when you're using it as a daily driver for the family. One thing I do know is that the clutch pedal is very stiff, a lot more stiff than the original clutch pedal. So no big deal for me, but if you're thinking about putting in the Z1 clutch and you're gonna upgrade to the high performance clutch pressure plate, you will get a stiffer pedal. So let's just jump right into it, get this installed and get on the road. Also, before we get this put in, I wanna give an update on the shirt giveaway. The one that commented the most was FieroBoy_86 on YouTube. Big shout out to FieroBoy. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for commenting, liking, and watching the videos. I do appreciate your support. I'm gonna get that shirt in the mail for you. And if you guys haven't checked them out, go ahead and check out FieroBoy86. But other than that, let's go ahead and throw this sunroof in. I'm not gonna unbox it because it's just an eBay purchase. So it's eBay packaging. There's nothing really to show you there. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in now. So let's jump right to it. I'll put you guys on a time lapse and check out this install. It's gonna be a quick video today. All right, fam. I told you I wasn't gonna show you the unboxing, but I just wanna show you something real quick. I got this from eBay. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's already a crack in the new sunroof. I don't know what angle you can see better. I think you can see it right there, but there's a crack right there and right there. So there's actually two cracks right next to each other. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install it anyways. I know most of you guys will probably send it back, but I need it today. I don't want to drive all the way to Sacramento with that wind noise, so I'm gonna put it in anyways. Hopefully it lasts. If it breaks, I'll have to order another one, but I am a little bummed that there's these cracks right there, right here and right there. So I'm a little bent off of that. I may contact the seller just to let him know he sold me a bad sunroof, but again, I'm not going to send it back. I'm just going to put it in and send it for now. So let me jump to putting this thing in. I don't think it's going to take too long. It looks like it's just about 6 different bolts there that would hold it, or screws. Here, 1 there, 2 there, each side. So that'd be 6. So I'm just going to throw it in real quick. Well, all right, family, so we're here at the car. Just want to show you what it looks like now before we get started. As you can see, it's duct taped. You can see the new duct tape here because I had to re-duct tape it yesterday because the wind got under it on the freeway and started to lift the old duct tape and sunroof out. So I went ahead and put some new duct tape on. That's why I don't want to drive 2 hours to Sacramento like this. I want to go ahead and put this new sunroof in. So we're going to jump on the time lapse and get that done. Let's take a look inside real quick. As you can see, it's duct taped in here too as well, and we actually got some glass starting to fall out here, so I'm gonna have to try to find a way to catch that glass. I don't want it all over the inside of my car. As you can see there, it's falling out. So gonna get this put in real quick. I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse and start knocking out this demo. All right. All right, So we got the duct tape kind of off the sunroof. We got it open here so we can see what we're doing. As you can see, it completely shattered. That's why we're going to replace it, and that's why it was duct taped. So hopefully it's not an alignment issue, and then when we put the new one in, it's going to shatter again, but we're going to have to figure it out as we go. So in order to get these sunroofs out, there's 3 bolts like I was showing you, or screws I should say, here, here, and here. You can see them by the indent of this plastic trim here. There's an indent where the screw would be. So we wanted to go ahead and pop this trim out. You just pull on it. It's held in just by these little clips here. It just pops right off. No big deal. And then afterwards you'll see these Torx bolts that are exposed here. We're gonna hit them up with a Torx bit and pop them out. There's gonna be 6 total, 3 on each side. 1 there, and 1 there in the corresponding side. So let me go ahead and get a Torx bit, and we'll go ahead and get this sunroof out real quick. It shouldn't take very long. I'm thinking about 30 minutes to swap it out, which is nice because I got to get on the road. So let me jump to it, find these Torx bits. All right, so as you can see, we got the sunroof out. I'm just kind of cleaning up a little bit around here. I'm gonna vacuum out this glass. I don't want this glass in here to cause any issues with the new one, causing it to bind or break. So I'm gonna get that glass out. As you can see, the duct tape left a mess up here, but I'm not worried about that. This is wrap on top of the roof, and as you can see, the wrap is really weathered anyway, so we're gonna have to pull this wrap off in the future and re-wrap it, or just go ahead and leave it body color. But for now, I'm just going to take out the rest of this duct tape all the way around. Well, all right, family, so we got the sunroof installed. You can see here that it's nice and level with the roof, so we're good there. Take a note here, you can see the black wrap, how it was protected under that tape, and you can see what the weather did to the wrap that was exposed. So quite a difference there. This wrap needs to be replaced. It's been on here for probably about 4 years, I would say. So it's old, but man, it's crazy what the weather will do to your wrap. So in a future video, we'll probably do the wrap on the top of the vehicle, or at least just peel it off and leave the original paint underneath, which is this here, kind of a pewter color, or a silverish pewter color. So needless to say, windows installed. Here's the inside shot. It's nice to have a sunroof again, but this is going to end it for this video. We have to hit the road, get over to Mom's house in Sacramento. I want to take this time real quick to thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate all you guys that are tapping into the channel, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell because I do drop fresh bangers weekly. I apologize for not putting out any car meets or car show content in a little bit, but I have some things to do here around the shop to get these cars back to their working standards. So that's going to end it for this video, and until next time, stay good, family. Peace.